remember when our firm first went paperless completely, and we shifted away from effectively any paper of anything except when usually the government forced us to do it. Before then, and I don't know how attorneys did this back in 1800s, 1900s, when they would actually have to drive in a carriage on a horse over to another city or firm or to meet their client, and then they'd have to take meticulous notes and then somehow make sure that those, stay somewhere and not get burned. Practice of law, at least from an organizational perspective, is just so much easier today than what it was even, 20 years ago. And God forbid if you were practicing law back in, the old times. When we went paperless, before that, I remember doing a lot of tasks that an attorney should not be doing. In my opinion, this should be obvious, but besides giving legal advice, an attorney should not be doing anything else, except for the limited exceptions, I'll say, are high-level functions like bringing in business, redirecting staff, things like that as a business owner. When you're wearing your attorney hat, you should not be scanning documents. You should not be labeling documents, reorganizing documents. If an attorney's doing that, they're a terrible business owner. And arguably, if they're billing a client for that type of work, I think that's borderline malpractice. I know, reasonable minds can differ there. If you're paying an attorney hundreds of dollars an hour to scan documents or really do anything organizational related, do you think that that's, ethical or reasonable? Getting off on a tangent there. Just wanted to commemorate us switching over to paperless. Back when I first started the practice, I remember having just a massive amount of papers. They were pretty organized, but a massive amount of papers in my tiny little studio right out of law school. It was a different time. Things are a lot better now, and we hardly use paper at all. And I'm gonna let all these airplanes steal the thunder from me, but I just wanted to share how far we've come in terms of the paperless and how much that has benefited us both as a team as well as all of our staff and staying organized.